Hello student, myself Marudarshna from Matrushri Ramuba Tejani and Matrushri Santaben Vidya Science College connected by Sardar Patel Educational Institute. Today we discuss on SEM 1 paper number 103 name Introduction of Microbial World. Topic name Protein. We all know protein is very essential biomolecule of our body. Protein are high molecular weight, nitrogenous organic micromolecules present in each and every cell of living system, forming the fundamental basis of structure and function of life. It is a natural polymer of amino acid. The number of amino acid is a protein molecule may be range from 2 or several thousand. Protein molecule contain nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein are the basis of major structural compound of amino and human tissue body. They are all as biological catalysts like enzyme from structural part of organism, participate in different cell reactions and act as molecule of immunity and also provide fuels. Now we look up to properties of protein. Protein found in living organism involved in process such as digestion of food, cell structure, catalysis, movement, energy, manipulation, etc. Protein is complex molecule, polymer of amino acid, long chain of protein, amino acid are called polypeptide. Protein are isoelectric. Solubility of protein like colloid solution instead of true solution in water. Other property like color. Protein have no characteristic color except chromoprotein. Taste and odor. A pure protein is tasteless and odorless. Viscosity of protein. Proteins are highly viscous in nature. Molecular weight of protein varies from 30,000 to few millions. Protein is made up of amino acid. There have two types of amino acid. First, essential amino acid. Second, non-essential amino acid. Essential amino acid are amino acid that can't be synthesized by the body. For example, leucine. Non-essential amino acid are acid that can't be synthesized by the body. Their amino acid is non-essential amino acid. For example, alanine. And other more type of amino acid is non-protein amino acid are not naturally encoded or found in the genetic code of any organism. Now we talk on structure of protein. There are mainly four structure of protein. First, primary structure. Second, secondary structure. Third, tertiary structure. Fourth and last, quaternary structure. Secondary structure splitted in two types. First, alpha helix. Second, beta helix. Beta plated sheet. Primary structure. The linear sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chain. The primary structure of protein is defined as a linear sequence of amino acid residue making up its polypeptide chain. The primary structure has following silent feature. Primary structure refers to the linear sequence of amino acid residues. The proteins are linear and unfolded. The proteins is found of one more polypeptide chain. The amino acid residue like link by repeating peptide bonds. The adjacent polypeptide chain are linked by disulfide bonds. Most of the structural protein which are in form of fiber exhibit primer structure. For example, fibrin in silk. Here you can see the figure of primary structure of protein. Here you can see the amino acid subunit and amino end. Second type of structure is secondary structure. Secondary structure refers to the helical nature of protein. The secondary structure is derived from the primary structure by the forming of hydrogen bond interaction between amino acid residues fairly close to one another. This leads to folding of the polypeptide chain into helix. The intramolecular hydrogen bond occurs between amide nitrogen and carbonyl oxygen of the fourth amino acid residue of the polypeptide chain. In addition, disulfide bond also occur either in same chain or between polypeptide chain. By configuration, the secondary structure is classified into two types. As I suggest, helical structure or plated sheet. We all know as the alpha helix and beta plated sheet. First, alpha helix. The polypeptide chain is called as rope wound around the cylinder. The helical structure of protein is formed by the hydrogen bond between peptide group within the same polypeptide chain. The main feature of alpha helix are the helical is formed by the series of amino acid residue wound into spiral chain. The alpha helix is so named because of mobility of the alpha carbon atoms. The helical chain has screw-type symmetry. A hydrogen bond is formed between the peptide group of every first and fourth amino acid residue. The regular appearance of hydrogen bond between every first and fourth peptide group determine the regularity of turn into polypeptide chain. The shape of helix is maintained by the hydrogen bond, and each complete coil contains 3.6 amino acid residue. Second, beta plated sheet or beta sheet. It is a secondary structure formed from hydrogen bonding between two peptide chains. This bonding leads to formation of sheet of parallel chain in the form of plated sheet. This plated sheet structure, the chain may be parallel or antiparallel. In parallel chain plated sheet structure, the N-terminal end of polypeptide chain pointed in the same direction. For example, keratin. In antiparallel chain plated sheet structure, the N-terminal end of polypeptide chain point in opposite direction. For example, fibrion on silk. Here you can see the alpha helix structure and beta plated sheet. Alpha helix structure have cylindrical and spherical structure, and beta sheet are plated like structure. The third type of protein structure is tertiary structure. The overall three-dimensional shape of polypeptide chain, beside hydrogen bond, sulfide bond, ionic interaction and hydrophobic bond, consists of helix, sheet, bands, turn and loops. The tertiary structure of protein is more complex than secondary structure. Tertiary structure is exhibited by protein having only one polypeptide chain. The tertiary structure is attained by globular protein. In such case, secondary helical structure is further folded to form a globular ellipsoid shape. The folding is established by appearance of more disulfide bond as well as hydrogen bond, ionic bond and hydrophobic bond. Some example of tertiary structure like myoglobin, ribonuclease, chymotrypsin and cytochrome C. Myoglobin is abundant in muscle. It contains a single polypeptide chain of 153 amino acid and single iron pyrene group. The tertiary structure of myoglobin has a Suez-like outline. The backbone of molecule is made up of 8 almost straight helical segments altered by non-helical band which twist off produce the characteristic folding. The longest helical segment has 23 amino acid and shortest segment has 7 amino acid. All the helical segments are alpha type, right-handed, there being beta structure. Nearly 80% of amino acids remain on the helical region and 20% are distributed over the non-helical areas. Ribonuclease is the another globular protein with tertiary structure. It is well-known example. It is made up of single polypeptide chain consists 124 amino acid with the 4 disulfide bond. Here you can see the structure of tertiary. You can see the hydrophobic interaction here, polypeptide backbone is here, and the folding of protein occurring in this region. Fourth and last type of protein structure is quaternary structure. Two or more polypeptide chains associate together to produce a quaternary structure. It is exhibited by protein containing more than one polypeptide chain. Quaternary structure formed by combination of primary, secondary and tertiary structure. The quaternary structure presents itself an aggregation of two or more polypeptide chains with tertiary structure organized into single functional protein molecules. A protein with quaternary structure is referred to as oligomer and its polypeptide chain with tertiary structure are referred to as protomers. The proteins insulin is made up of two polypeptide chains. Hemoglobin has 4 polypeptide chains. Apoferritin has 24 idle chains. Aspartate transcarbamylase has 72 chains. The quaternary structure is two types of depending on nature of polypeptide chain. There are homogeneous quaternary structure and heterogeneous quaternary structure. Homogeneous quaternary structure is the polypeptide chain are identical. For example, phosphorylase, lactic acid dehydrogenase. Heterogeneous quaternary structure is the polypeptide chain are non-identical. Hemoglobin or keratin are well-known example of heterogeneous quaternary structure. So here you can see the 4 type of structure of protein. Here see the figure of 4 type of structure of protein. There are primary structure, secondary structure including alpha helix and beta sheet, tertiary structure, and last one is quaternary structure. Now we discuss on classification of protein. Protein are mainly classified on 4 types on the basis of varieties. First one is basis of composition of solubility of protein. Second, on the basis of nutrition value of protein. Third, on the basis of shape and size of protein. And last, on the basis of function of protein. So we look up the first class, the basis of composition and solubility of protein. Solubility of protein and composition of protein are related with the shape and size of protein. So first we discuss the shape and size of protein. There are 2 types of proteins, fibrous protein and globular protein. Globular proteins are spherical in shape, they are soluble in water, they are highly branched. The polypeptide chain are crossed by the usual peptide bond. The globular protein molecule are tightly folded into spherical or globular shape. The globular protein examples are enzyme, protein hormones, antibiotics, hemoglobin, myoglobin, etc. Fibrous protein. Fibrous protein are insoluble in water. They are informed in fibers. They are highly resident to digestion of proteolytic enzyme. They are unbranched. They are linear molecules. The long linear protein chain are held together by intermolecular hydrogen bonds. They are not folded into globular molecules. They serve as structured proteins. The common fibrous proteins are collagen, elastin, fibrin, keratin, actin, and myosin. On the basis of composition and solubility of protein, there are three types of protein: simple protein, conjugated protein, and derived protein. Simple proteins, the protein which yield amino acid or their derives on hydrolysis, are called simple protein. Simple protein are further classified into subtype basic protein. For example, albumin, globulin, glutenin, albuminoids, histones, and protamides. Second type of protein is conjugated protein. Conjugated protein are protein united with the non-protein substance. The non-protein substance links to protein are referred to as prosthetic group. The protein part is called apoprotein. The prosthetic group and apoprotein are together called haloprotein. So, conjugated protein or hydrolyzed yield non-protein substance in addition to amino acid. Some examples of conjugate proteins are glycoprotein or mucoprotein. Glycoprotein consists carbohydrate as prosthetic group. On hydrolysis, they yield amino sugar. For example, mucin in saliva, egg albumin, serum albumin, and serum globulin. Second, phosphoprotein. Phosphoprotein contains phosphoric acid as the prosthetic group. The phosphoric acid is attached to the hydroxyl group of protein by ester linkage. For example, casein in milk. Lipoprotein. Lipoprotein contains phospholipid or cholesterol as prosthetic group. For example, lipoprotein of blood serum. Nucleoprotein. Nucleoprotein contains nucleic acid as prosthetic group, for example nuclein and mucohistine. Chromoprotein are colored protein. They are simple protein linked to metallic prosthetic group which gives the color to the protein. For example, hemoglobin, hemocyanin, cytochrome, flavoprotein, chlorophyll, etc. Derived protein, third type of protein. Derived protein are the intermediate product formed from natural protein when they are hydrolyzed by heat, acid, alkali or enzymes. The derived proteins are two types. There are primary derived protein and secondary derived protein. Primary derived protein. Proteins are denature protein. They are first product produced by action of acid, enzyme or water on protein. They are insoluble in water. For example, estrogen derived from the estin. Fibrin derived from fibrinogen. Metaprotein. Metaprotein are derived by the further action of acid or alkali on protein. These are insoluble in water but soluble in dilute acid or alkali solution. Third type is coagulate protein. Coagulate proteins are insoluble protein product produced by the action of heat or alcohol or protein. Coagulated egg white is an example of this type. Secondary derived protein. Secondary derived protein are product of protein in which defined hydrolysis has taken place. The molecules are smaller than those of original protein. They may be mainly of three types: proteases, peptones, and polypeptides. On the basis of nutritive value of protein is complete protein, partially complete protein, and incomplete protein. And fourth and last class of protein is on the basis of function of protein. Protein play crucial role in all biological processes. They are following like enzyme catalyzed. Also, all chemical reactions in biological system are catalyzed by enzyme. The enzyme exhibit enormous catalytic power. They increase reaction rates at least a million-fold. Several thousand enzymes have been identified in biological systems. The striking fact is that all enzymes are not but protein. Second function of protein is transport. Protein transport iron and some small molecules. Hemoglobin conjugate protein of blood transport oxygen. Myoglobin is a muscle protein. Transport oxygen in muscle. Transferrin carried iron in the plasma of protein. The lipoprotein of plasma carried lipids from the liver to other organs. The membrane protein transport glucose, amino acid and other nutrients across the membrane into the cell. Storage. Certain protein function as a storage molecule. Ferritin protein store iron into liver. Seeds store nutrient protein, for example wheat, corn, rice, etc. Nutrient. Certain protein function as nutrient. For example, egg contain oil, the milk contain casein. Fifth, contraction of movement. The contraction of muscles is brought about by two fibrous proteins called actin and myosin. The microtubules of flagella and cilia are built on tubulin, a protein. Mechanical support. Many proteins serve as supporting filamentous cable sheet to give biological structure, strength, support and protection. Collagen, a fibrous protein, is the major component of tendon, cartilage and leather. Ligament contain elastin, a structured protein. Keratin, an insoluble protein, is the main component of hair, fingernails and feather. Fibroin is the major component of the silk fiber and spider web. Immune protection. Many proteins defend organism against invasion of other species, invalid bacteria, virus, etc. Elicit the production of antibodies by lymphocyte. Antibodies neutralize the foreign germs. Antibodies are protein immunoglobulin. Blood clotting. Bleeding is stopped by the formation of clot. Clotting is blocked by about the blood clotting proteins such as fibrinogen and thrombin. Transmission of nerve impulse. The nerve impulse is transmitted through synapse with the help of receptor protein. Receptor protein at the synapse are triggered by acetylcholine. Gene expression. In the cell, all the genes are not functioning at a time. Only few genes are active and other genes remain in an inactive condition. The inactive condition, the gene is brought about by the receptor protein, especially in bacteria. Hormonal action. Many hormones are protein, for example insulin, growth hormone, parathyroid hormone. Thermoregulation. The blood plasma is some Antarctic fish contain antifreeze protein which protect the blood from freezing. Protein have other importance like protein play a important role in formation of protoplasm. Nucleoprotein are complex protein and act as the carrier of the hereditary material from the one generation to other. Enzymes are the biological catalyst and they are also protein. Hemoglobin is a protein, it is act to oxygen carrier. Tannin of hides at the actually precipitation of protein by tannic acid. Gelatin is obtained by heating bone, skin and tendons in water. It is used in bakery goods. Casein is another protein used to manufacture of bottom and backs. Protein obtained from soya beans are used for the manufacture of plastics. So, this is all about the protein. Thank you for watching.